Here are my findings from NASA, entitled The Great Moon Research Disaster, and it concerns the research that the United States did when they went to the moon in '69, and it's well known by now. This involves the Earth and Moon center of gravity. You have a big ball here and a small ball, and you put a balance rod between the two. The center of gravity for both of them is just below the surface of the Earth. So any weight that you add to this small ball increases this center of gravity. It moves it closer to the surface. And this center of gravity controls the weight of the atmosphere. The moon goes around the Earth counterclockwise every 30 days approximately, and the Earth spins 24 hours every 24 hours. Now, my research involves the findings of these meteor impacts. They had 4 nuclear seismographs on the moon between 1969 and 1977. 1977, they had orders to turn off the seismographs. What I have here is a recording from the seismographs of every major meteor that struck the moon. They call these the C impacts. These are all the dates. Starts way back in '69, all the way up to '77. That was November 20th. These are all the different stations. They had them 12, 14, 15, and 16. And here, November 20th, 1969, day 324. And the C is the impact. The L is for lunar module. This one was the Saturn booster. The regular C's, this is 01, are meteorite impacts. The CL and the CS are non-meteorite impacts. This is the hour, minute, second, water level. What we are mainly concerned here is the impacts themselves and the date. What I did was to match every major impact with an earthquake, tornado, or hurricane. C designates the impact. Two-digit numbers are arbitrary sequence numbers. Artificial impacts are denoted by the letter C, followed by a letter giving the source. It's for lunar module. That's when they did it themselves. They made their own. They moved that center of gravity themselves. The other ones are natural. They didn't know that the craters before on the moon were external. But with the seismograph, they found that out for sure. Each one of these match right down the line the major impacts. This one, May 13th, is especially notable. That is a 60-degree hit, the largest signal ever. May 13, 1972. It was quite a large tornado too. Next 60-degree hit is here. June 31, 1972. Another cataclysm. 3 60-degree hits there. August 72 and November 72. There are more 60-degree hits. Usually these meteorites are a couple thousand pounds, going at about 2,000 miles an hour or two, which is equal to what the lunar module did and the Saturn booster. But I'm saying that this is an unconstant factor. That's why nothing can be predicted, because you can't predict when the meteorites hit. Perhaps you could stop the cataclysm on the Earth if you could stop the meteorites from hitting the moon. That's all hypothetical. But every time the Perseid or Meteor or Leonid meteorite showers come by every spring and fall, they bring with them debris. And the more debris that's in the area, the more chances of meteorites striking the moon. The main factor that moves this center of gravity is the moon itself. Otherwise, meteorites here either burn in the atmosphere or end up in the ocean. One of the two. There we go, right here is some things I wrote. Moon seismographs are presently non-operational. Nothing can be proved. Even the everyday layperson can superficially assess the increase in natural cataclysmic events every time an increase in meteorite debris is reported to be in the vicinity of the Earth. like comets, or meteorite showers, the Perseid and Leonid. They both correspond to tornado and hurricane season. Every May, June, July. Now this is a Perseid. The hurricane seasons during August, September, July, early September. Apparently there's an asteroid coming here November 8th, which is quite different. That's quite large, but still it will bring debris. No matter how close it gets to the Earth, there's going to be debris always associated with these events. These are not coincidences, they correspond precisely with each hit. Thank you. What is probably sad now is that the U.S. himself can alter the weight of the atmosphere. Well, we shall see. Star equals one of 7 largest impacts. C is a meteorite impact. Here's some more 60-degree hits. July 31, 1972. Tornado, Michigan. Even the History Channel acknowledged that when they hit the moon with the lunar module, it could be seen shaking. That's how sensitive the moon is. So again, here's some starred hits. Those are the largest meteorites ever to hit. April 23 is one starred hit. There's another star hit there. July 17, 72.